Artemisia 3xbiotics. Throughout history, plants have been used to treat a wide range of ailments. Today, science offers us the tools to better understand the mechanisms of action of bioactive compounds found in plants. The Artemisia 3xbiotic supplement represents a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, providing a formula concentrated in essential nutrients for the body. Both Artemisia annua and Artemisia absinthium have attracted researchers' attention for their potential due to their rich content of active compounds sesquiterpene lactones, with artemisinin being the most studied, flavonoids, terpenoids, coumarins, etc. 1. Anti-inflammatory and immunomodulatory effects. Artemisia exerts anti-inflammatory effects by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory mediators, prostaglandins, tumor necrosis factor TNF-α, and interleukins. These properties have been investigated in the context of chronic inflammatory diseases, such as rheumatoid arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. Artemisia can modulate immune responses by balancing the activity of helper T cells and regulatory T cells, suggesting potential in the treatment of autoimmune diseases. 2. Antiviral and antibacterial effects. Artemisia species possess antimicrobial activity against a wide spectrum of viruses, bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. They have been studied for their antiviral effects: COVID-19 virus, hepatitis B virus HBV, human immunodeficiency virus HIV, and influenza virus, and antibacterial effects against pathogenic strains of Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. These effects are attributed to the presence of flavonoids, terpenoids, and other bioactive compounds that inhibit viral replication and modulate immune responses. 3. Antiparasitic, especially antimalarial and antifungal effects. Artemisinin is essential in the treatment of malaria. The discovery of artemisinin earned the Nobel Prize in 2015 for revolutionizing its treatment. The mechanism of action involves generating reactive oxygen species ROS that destroy the Plasmodium parasite in erythrocyte. Clinical studies have demonstrated increased efficacy when combined with other antimalarial drugs, thus reducing the risk of drug resistance. Artemisia exhibits significant antifungal activity against pathogenic species, inhibiting fungal growth by disrupting the cell membrane and reducing the synthesis of ergosterol, an essential component of the fungal membrane. 4. Cardioprotective effects. Among the bioactive compounds identified, artemisinin, luteolin, quercetin, and camphor, some have potential cardioprotective effects. According to studies, these include antioxidant activity, neutralizing reactive oxygen species ROS and protecting cardiac cells from oxidative damage, anti-inflammatory effects, reducing the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and inhibiting inflammatory pathways, antithrombotic and antiplatelet effects, improvement in lipid profiles, preventing atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular diseases, and inhibition of apoptosis, protecting cardiomyocytes from programmed cell death under ischemic stress. 5. Hepatoprotective effects. Studies have highlighted Artemisia's protective role on the liver, especially in the context of exposure to toxins such as CCl4 and ethanol. The mechanism of action involves reducing oxidative stress and hepatic inflammation, as well as stimulating liver cell regeneration. These effects are mainly attributed to the phenolic and terpenic compounds present in the plant. 6. Anti-tumor activity. Artemisia extracts have demonstrated anti-tumor potential through several mechanisms. 1. Inducing apoptosis in cancer cells by activating the mitochondrial pathway. 2. Inhibiting angiogenesis and blocking the cell cycle at various stages. 3. Sensitizing tumor cells to chemotherapy and radiotherapy, thereby increasing treatment efficiency. Preclinical studies have reported activity against several types of cancer, such as breast cancer, liver cancer, colon cancer, and leukemia. Amrita polyfloral pollen fermented in SCOBY cultures. With its rich content of fatty acids acetate, butyrate, propionate, omega-3, omega-6, pentadecanoic acid C15, etc., contributes to reducing systemic inflammation. In recent years, the presence of C15 has attracted attention due to its beneficial effects on cellular membrane fragility, reducing oxidative and inflammatory stress. Combating membrane fragility is further enhanced by the action of polyphenols from the green tea used in SCOBY cultures. Through its high C15 content, Amrita reduces insulin resistance, cleanses fatty liver, has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, maintains blood pressure within normal limits, and protects the cardiovascular and neuronal systems. Numerous studies demonstrate the beneficial effects of organic acids, particularly acetic acid, on metabolic syndrome. Normalizing blood sugar levels, it increases AMPK enzyme activity and influences satiety hormone levels, reducing hunger. Polyphenols and flavonoids have strong antioxidant properties, benefiting many pathologies. Ergothioneine, known as the longevity vitamin, helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels, thus improving dyslipidemia. Spermidine stimulates autophagy, protects the cardiovascular system by reducing inflammation, improves mitochondrial function, and prevents atherosclerosis, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Prebiotics, probiotics, paraprobiotics, postbiotics, and rare sugars improve the microbiome, resulting in a decreased risk of developing chronic diseases and certain types of cancer. Thanks for watching.